Welcome to the Trend Market Update Report for October 2012. Well, closed transactions were up 12.5% in October, continuing a long streak. It's actually in the last 16 months, 14 of those 16 months, we've seen year-over-year increases in excess of 10%. And the 2 months that weren't more than 10% higher were 9% higher. So we've had a good long streak now of 16 months where we've shown considerable improvement year over year. The seasonally adjusted sales for October were right at the 57,000 per year pace that we've been on all year long. And pending sales were very high. They were 21.6% higher than in 2011. And with 2 months to go, the number of pending sales this year has already exceeded the pending sales from 2011. Prices also continued to show some strength. Beginning in the second quarter of this year, we're seeing an increase or much stronger performance in both median and average prices. The median price in October was about 1% higher than a year ago, but the average sold price was 3.4% higher this October than last October, which kind of tells us that the higher end market probably had a little bit better activity this October than it did a year ago. The average sold price, though, was really uneven in our area. 7 counties showed an increase in average prices, and 4 of them, Berks, Delaware, Philadelphia, and Kent, were more than 10% higher in the average sold price than they were a year ago. But 6 counties also had a decline in the average sold price. So we're pretty uneven in terms of performance in the average sold price. Since April, though, the average sold price is almost 2% higher than it was during the same period a year ago. And at the end of March, the median sold price was about 4% below where it was in 2011, and now year to date, we're a little bit ahead of last year. So we've really had a good increase in prices since the beginning of March of this year. Inventory levels also continued to be about 15% below where they were last year, indicating continued strength for home prices in the short term. So for the next couple of months, inventory levels are at a good level, and we're seeing good pending sales activity. So it looks like we should finish the year pretty strong. That's it for October. Don't forget to check the homepage for county level statistics in the market history and market snapshot reports. And join us again next month for November report.